What's going on, everybody? It's Silver Seeker, and inside this box, guys, is my final order pre-$20 silver. I had actually pre-ordered some of these before silver was even $20 an ounce, and hindsight's always 20/20 because honestly, guys, I wish I would have ordered more. I only ordered 50. I thought about ordering an entire monster box of these, which is 200, but I only ordered 50 of them. That is okay. Again, it's my last silver order before it hit $20 an ounce. Since I've ordered these, it has gained over $5 an ounce, sitting at $24.40 as I record this right now. So let's go ahead, guys, and get this thing open and see what is inside. Excited to have these, and again, man, I should have ordered more. All right, guys, here we go. Let's peel this thing open. And of course, as with most of my AppMex orders, well, they actually put the invoice on top. So let's go ahead and slide that out of there like so. As with most of my AppMex orders, they come inside the box. Inside the box is like one of these bubble packagings. And look, the AppMex app, fresh look and new features. Very, very sweet. Okay, well, we will have to download that for sure. All right, so here we go. Let's get this out of here. Oh man, you guys can see what's inside already just as I peel it away. Very excited about these. And again, I wish I would have just ordered the whole box, especially since, again, not only has the price went up, but the premium has went up as well. All right, so hold on a second here. Let me get these out. All right, what is going on here? What is going on here? And these, all right, no, okay. So what I was talking about, guys, is it actually looked like these had been opened, and I was not going to be happy if AppMex opened and cherry-picked my rolls before they sent them to me. As you can see, this side is completely sealed. On this side, it did look like it was torn open a little bit, but as you can see, it is actually sealed most of the way. So a little bit of a scare there, but take a look at this one. That one looks like it has actually been opened. Seriously. That one looks like it's been opened. Now I ordered a couple of full rolls of these. These should not have been opened because I can cut through that. See, look at that. I can cut through that just like so. And I'm assuming that, you know, that's what I'm saying. Like, if I see a fingerprint or something on these, I'm going to be very, very upset. They should not be cherry picking the rolls that I order, if that's the case. Of course, I could be completely wrong, guys. I don't actually know, but you know, maybe so. I don't know. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and I would like to get this tape off and see if that's actually what happened here. Rather than cut through it, let's go ahead and get the AppMex SKU sticker off of here. Let's go ahead and see if we can actually peel it, because I want to peel this gently. I want to see if this is actually, so take a look. It's kind of taking it with it, but it's not. Okay. Okay, all right, guys, so here we go. All right, thank you, AppMex, for being honest, guys. As we peeled that back, you can see that there's actually no break in that right there. So it was just the way it looked because it was black. I'm very, very happy about that, that, you know, it actually wasn't open. It's just basically the crease at the edge of the tube. Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. I was going to be pretty upset if these had been opened and cherry-picked, but as you can see, that seal there is not broken, so I'm glad that I went ahead and did that right there. So now that we know that these have not been cherry picked, we're going to go ahead and keep these two sealed because I don't need to open them yet because I actually have some singles right here. So we have two full 20 count tubes. Again, oh man, I really wish I would have ordered a full monster box, but additionally we have 10 more here because I ordered 50 of them. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 50 Mandalorians. Let's go ahead and get one out and take it up close to the camera so you guys can see it. All right, so let's look at the reverse first. This is an absolutely gorgeous $22 coin right there. As you can see, the public seal of Niue. Now guys, check this out. This is really cool. What is not on the reverse of this coin that almost always is, even in Niue? The Queen. There is no Queen Elizabeth on the reverse of this coin. Take a look at that. There's the crown at the top, but there's no Queen. Flip it over to the obverse, and here we go, guys. The Star Wars Mandalorian. That absolutely beautiful Mythosaur. Oh man, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous coin. I really like that. You know what? I mean, some people may like it, some people may not. I actually like that for once the queen is not on the reverse of one of these coins. This is pretty darn cool. So as you can see, guys, it is 1 ounce 999 fine silver. We're looking right above my finger right here. So 1 ounce at 999 fine silver. As we rotate it, you can see it has the copyright and trademark of Lucasfilm Ltd or Limited. Very gorgeous. All right, guys, well, that is our quick unboxing of the beautiful 2020 1 ounce Silver Mandalorians. Again, I picked up 50 of those, and I was fortunate enough to order these before silver hit $20+ an ounce. So very cool. All right, guys, let me know what you think of these down below. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe and click the bell button so you get all the notifications for my future videos as well. Make sure you guys don't miss out, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I just want to quickly give a huge shout out to my awesome channel members. It's support like yours that make these videos possible. So once again, thank you. Guys, I left the video over there. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go and check that one out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd appreciate a sub if you liked the content. Otherwise, thank you again, and we will see you next time.